There you go, welcome to the instruction video of how to clean and remove screen of a separator. First step, take off the weights. Just by loosening the bolts, you can have 1 or 2 weights in the separator. Second step, loosen the bolts on the mouthpiece. Next part, you remove the front piece of the separator just by pulling it out. After removing the mouthpiece, you remove the side of the separator and you use a large screwdriver to loosen the screen. Remove the screen for cleaning. After cleaning, put the screen back in the separator. Make sure you have the triangle and the number on the top outside. Put the screen back in, all the way in. Put the mouthpiece back on. Put all the bolts on all the way around before using the spanner. Make sure to clean the surface before putting it back on. Use a spanner, get all the bolts tightened back up. Side plate you put on before putting the weights on. And now add the weights back on the arms.